In this video, I'm going to show you how to differentiate delivery methods for your customers in Mozello. To start, simply click on the store icon on the left side menu, then go to Store Settings and Delivery. Here you will see all your current delivery methods, you can create new delivery methods, and you will also see your delivery method groups. Mozello offers differentiating delivery methods in two ways. So the first one is using delivery method parameters. You can specify that a particular delivery method is available for orders depending on the order weight, total amount, and customer's country or region. To do that, you go to any of the current delivery methods, click on it, then a menu will open where you can see all the delivery method parameters. By setting the parameters for minimum order amount or maximum order amount, you can limit the delivery method available based on the total order amount. So if you set the minimum order amount, the delivery only will show up when that amount is reached, and you can set the maximum order amount until that delivery method is available. The next one is minimum weight and maximum weight. Same thing applies as with the order amount. You can set the minimum weight and maximum weight until the delivery method is available. However, to make this work, you will have to fill your product weight parameters, otherwise it will count as 0. And the third option for differentiating your delivery method is by location. When you scroll down, you will see that the current delivery method is available in all countries, but you can also select specific countries if you want to. So click on the option Selected Countries Only, and for example, simply click on Add Country. Then a list will open where you have to choose the country. So for example, let's check Australia, click Save. And now from this point on, only customers in Australia will have this option available. Once you've done all the parameters, go back up and click on the button Save. Now I'm going to show you how you can differentiate delivery methods based on other criteria. So all your available delivery methods can be differentiated based on any freely chosen criteria by creating a separate delivery method groups that include only those delivery methods that are possible for specific products. For example, you have some oversized products or fragile products in your store, you can create specific delivery method groups for them. So how to do that? So the first thing is under delivery method groups, click on the button Add Group. Then enter a meaningful name for the delivery method group, such as oversized, and click OK. So once the group has been created, you have to assign specific delivery methods to that group. How to do that? You simply click on any of the existing delivery methods, for example DHL Express. Simply scroll all the way down and you will see an option Delivery Method Groups. Here you can simply check the checkbox, and this will set this delivery method for that specific group. So at this point, we have set DHL Express for only oversized items. One thing I want to add is that one delivery method can actually be added into multiple groups. So once you've selected all the groups that you want, simply go all the way back up and click on Save. So from now on, the oversized delivery method group includes DHL Express. So now I'm going to show you how to apply products to this specific group. First thing to do is go to Catalog Management, then click on the product, then go down, click on Advanced Settings, go down again, and you will see Delivery Method Group. At the moment, this product is set in all delivery methods, which means that currently this product has all delivery methods available. However, if we click on the option and click Oversized, from now on, for this product, oversized delivery group methods only will be available. Click on the button Save and you're done. Repeat the same step for all the products that you want to add into that specific group. Another thing that I want to point out is that single product can only be applied to one group. And also, the group names will not appear anywhere for the customers to see. So make sure that you set them as easy to understand for yourself. If you have any questions regarding this, please contact our customer service.